Founders want to make a difference and solve real-world problems. Investors want to make a difference and solve real-world problems. Everyone wants a return on their investment. Send Agricision to San Francisco, and we will do all three. My name is Sheri Neuhofer, and I'm an owner of Agricision, an ag tech company founded by Ken and Diana Warren. Ken and Diana are founder farmers and inventors of the Scout X2 proprietary pest detection method. Currently, Ken and Diana are in Iowa pitching a client in our target market, and I decided to stay here to pitch Agricision tonight. Farmers face, every year, farmers face the rising cost of chemicals, the ability of weeds that are resistant to those chemicals, and the ability to detect those chemicals, or the ability to find those weeds accurately to detect those pests. Additionally, the drones on the market today, the agriculture drones on the market today, are limited in functionality, mobility, and each of the drones have to have one controller. So, next slide, thank you. Next slide. Okay, next slide, thank you. So, Agricision has a solution, provides a solution in real time. We have the Scout X, which is a VTOL, tail sitter VTOL drone with a real-time pest detection pod. This drone offers farmers a 70% reduction in chemical cost, a 30% increase in profits, and a 5% increase in crop yield. Next slide. Oh, that's me, sorry. Here we see Scout X working. Scout X working. What the slide is doing is accurately detecting pests in the video. On the right-hand side, you see a report generated. The market is ripe for the picking. Fortune Business Insight predicts that the market will grow 20% each year to $30 billion. Agricision has a conservative growth rate to reach $8 million in the next 3 years. We do have a B2B business model, and we will sell directly to drone service providers. We do have positive customer traction. As I said earlier, Ken and Diana are in Iowa right now. They are pitching to Landis, that's a co-op with a customer, with a farmer customer market, or with a co-op with a farmer reach of 7,000 customers. Right now, they are pitching to put our software on their platform beginning in 2025. We're also talking with drone providers the drone providers that you see on the screen in the states that you see there. Here's a look at our projected sales over the next 3 years. We do clearly have competition.